YouTube, I'm back. Another video. So today I'm just show you how to remove a fender. Most people probably already know, but for the ones that don't, pretty self-explanatory, simple. We got bolts right here, which is going to be these right here. There are half-inch bolts for 13 millimeters. You got these three. Then you got one right here, and you got some in the inside, two in the inside. It's in the door. Roll on down, and you're gonna have some right here. Then you're gonna have all of these right here. You got some right there, and right there. Let's see, right there, and she'll come off. So it's pretty simple. I just want to show you, which is gonna be these two. You got one right here, two, three right here, and that's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it off and show you how it looks. Now, since I got it on there, I'm gonna just start, trying to get everything kind of lined up, and we should be good. And the gaps, like I said, I'm gonna put all the shims back where they at. These are the shims that you're gonna need. You got these two right here, they fell on the ground. I'm gonna get these two up. That's for the inside, for the bottom, and we should be good. All right. So it's just a short video just to show you, what I did today, and I'm gonna do the same applies to that side over there. I'm gonna get that side done too, because it's been cut up and hacked up, and you don't want to rock like that. So I'm gonna change this one out, and then should be good as far as the fenders. All right, YouTube, so I got the transmission today from the owner of the car. He ended up finding one. It's a little dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean it up for him. So once I get it in the car, I won't be messing with too much dirt and grind and stuff right here. This is like a little pressure washer stand I got from my uncle. He just told me, I can get it if I can use it. And it seemed like it worked pretty good. I can be able to pull this around and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash it, get most of the dirt cleaned off of it, and I'll turn it back on. Got it? You want to keep going?
But this one is good because
Finish?
I keep going. Ready? Then can I spray on the feet? Can I spray right here?
No, spray it.
Spray on that dirt?
Good. Yep. You gotta hold it straight.